All right, boys, we are finally freaking back. I just took some freaking bangers, taking pictures. Awesome. Sun's going down, and I'm not all for playing around with this coldness. My body starts to get cold. My nerves and my joints start working weird. Plus, I got to go home and edit. I'm freaking pumped.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Oh, hello, coming in hot. Definitely don't want to get behind the diesels. Anytime I see a diesel, I'm like, go ahead, you got it, you won. Oh. In the back, what? I couldn't tell if he was singing or yelling at me for no apparent reason. Look at that sunset. Oh! Alright, I see how you moving, Blue. Alright, my bad, Scott. I think we're just gonna cruise home. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. All of that tells me that you guys like what I'm creating and I can create more of it. Damn! I know that I need time now. You will go far away. I didn't keep up with my sounds when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't gonna know about. Unless you heard from me, then you ain't heard from me. Go ahead from me. All the energy extra. I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. I hope I made the light, and I hope there wasn't cops back there. We're back with a special one today, and we are going to say thank you to Ridge Wallets for sponsoring this video. Right off the bat, we're going to talk about how my old freaking big bulky wallet is no longer big and bulky. This is freaking awesome. A few things I like about this wallet is these Ridge Wallets can hold up to 12 cards and cash at the same time. There's also 30 different styles to choose from. All of these wallets actually come with lifetime warranty in case something does happen to them. You can get them replaced, which is amazing. You can get 10% off your Ridge wallet by hitting the link in the description and using the promo code TheKilaCam. Spell it out correctly, so I'm gonna put it right here for you. But enjoy, guys. Let's get back to the video. God, what is up with you lately? Yes! Where'd my song go? The song's literally been on repeat. You got those songs that like you just have to put on repeat no matter what? I know where all these lights are, these traffic lights and intersections are. Every time I even approach them, I'm already slowing down. I wouldn't come around that corner back there, rolling, keep rolling, and then be like, oh, it's a red light, I have to stop, and there's a car pulling. Don't do that. Do you get out of your emotions? I do wheelies. Oh, I love bikes. Dude, I haven't even had caffeine. I'm like shaking with adrenaline. Probably serotonin. Just look at the people pulled up. Definitely will probably be more, but like I just did wheelies like all over because those roads are kind of nice to spread out traffic. No one's around me. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Did not see that bottle coming up. Oh crap! Oh crap! That looks. Oh crap! Hold on. No, I can't. This is why. Nah, man, that sky looking way too juicy, bro. Way too juicy. I'll be damned knowing I have my camera in my bag and don't attempt to get something. I don't know where this road goes, and it's not going the way I need it to, but we better find something fast before I lose that sky. I have like literally 2 minutes for that sun's over that hill. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yep, right here. Right. Somehow, some way, I'm gonna orchestrate this shit right in this. Yep. We're going for it. We are 100% going for it. This is nifty. Okay. Hurry. That is the stuff I am talking about. You ever think to yourself like, all right, so like one small move literally can redirect everything? And like me coming here, right? I would have never, oh my gosh, my phone is having Siri go off.
I don't know how to respond to that.
It's okay, you don't have to respond. She said, I don't know how to respond to that. It's just crazy to see like how, and like I just met her. There's probably no significance there, right? None, but I don't know. I think it's a thought that I just need to leave in my head because I really can't explain it. Someone out there is like, I totally understand what you're saying, even though you pretty much didn't say anything. Now the question is, do I go back to the road that I know, or do I just take this dope, I'm taking this dope road. What do I look like? You thought I was gonna go back to the regular road? This is gonna be a good idea for all of like 10 seconds, and I'm be like, I don't know where I'm going. He has a golf cart. Okay, maybe not the best idea because I'm getting a little brisky back here in the sticks, but it's so freaking scenic. Photo shoot spot? Yeah, definitely. Oh, damn. This road turns. Wait. Oh. I'm literally just, this is me vibing. Leg just dangling, arm out, bad back posture. I'm so lost. Should I take a left? I feel like I should take a left. I'm not gonna take a left. This bike is stupid. The issue with, oh! Oh, no way! Oh, it's so pretty! Oh, no, never mind. It was pretty for all of 3 seconds. I am so lost. This way? These roads are freezing. Yeah, we still got a little bit of heat. I know where I'm at! No way! Can't believe I just got here. How the flip did I? Oh, I know how I got here. But like, I generally didn't know where I was at. Oh my gosh. You guys want my electronic music, my playlist? I have it right here. It's literally called Bang for Cam. I always forget to let you guys know. It's also the links in the description. I have a lot of playlists out there for different emotions. I am not a good example when it comes to riding. Jeez. I could totally just do this at the light. Okay. Bike still works.